Ngisi-ngisi mo naman po ta dira, Jel. Ay pagbuot kay happy ko. Unya tinuod pud ka na nga happiness. Nakadaong na ba ka sa word nga dilulo? If not, welcome to the internet. Delulu is short for delusional, but make it entertaining. It's when you convince yourself yung mutual understanding na Muslim mong crush kay ni-like siya sa imong post. Or when you manifest getting rich, pero sige lang gihapon kag Shopee checkout. It's fun until it's not. Kitinod, we all love a little escape. Social media is a proof of that. We see perfect lives online and compare them to our messy reality. But are those smiles even real or just another filter? We create perfect versions of ourselves online, masking the struggles we don't want to face. Pero kung sige lang totoo, Ani, we start mistaking it for real life. And that's when it gets dangerous. Happiness isn't just about feeling good all the time. It's about meaning. Without sadness, how do we even recognize joy? Without failure, how do we appreciate success? Sabi sa The Little Prince, to feel presence, you need to experience its absence. Kung permi lang easy, walay essence ang kalipay. Kung sige lang tag-manifest nga naa kay jowa pero wakay effort to build real connections, then saan pag-legit sa imong love story? Plato's allegory of the cave explains it best. Imagine being trapped in a dark cave, only seeing shadows on the wall, believing that's the whole world. But once you step outside, you realize there's so much bigger, brighter reality waiting for you. That's Delulu. It feels safe, it feels comforting, but there's no growth if you refuse to face the truth. Escaping illusion isn't easy. Reality is messy, painful, and unpredictable. But it's also where true happiness is found. So, do you want a love that exists only in your head, or the one that's real? Success that's fantasized, or the one you work hard for? Because at the end of the day, happiness isn't just about feeling good, it's about feeling something real. Alice had to wake up from Wonderland. Dili niya pwede forever kalimtan ng real world. And maybe, basin ikaw, kinahanglan na pod. Kaya ang dilulu, cute ra na for a while, pero kung magpabiling ka diha, mapurdoy ka sa imong own imaginary happy ending. So be, ask yourself, are you chasing real happiness or just a beautiful crafted illusion? Kay dilulu is only fun until reality knocks. And trust me, it always does.